Welcome viewers! In this episode of Wolf Vision Insights, we are going to take a look how a visualizer can be used to easily add live content into Zoom meetings, transforming online or hybrid classes and web meetings. Simply using PowerPoint slides makes it very difficult to hold the attention of your audience for long periods. Combining a visualizer system with Zoom helps you to deliver the same engaging content you use during in-person sessions also to your online audience. Let's have a look at the few simple steps that are required to integrate your visualizer into a Zoom session. First, you need to connect your visualizer to the computer using a USB cable. Just make sure you're using the right cable with the correct connectors, supporting the appropriate standard either USB 2.0 or USB 3.0. The beauty of UVC is that it's plug and play for Windows, Mac or Linux, and no specific drivers need to be installed before use. With Zoom you get support for integrating external cameras into your meeting. It's simple, straightforward and gives you a lot of flexibility. Let's have a look how it works. With Zoom you have two options. First, you can replace your webcam with the visualizer by simply selecting another camera source. This is straightforward, but please note that your meeting attendees can no longer see you at the same time. Image resolution is also lower than the next option that I will show you. With this second option, you share your screen and select the possibility in the Zoom Advanced menu to integrate a second camera. By doing this, your audience will see a higher resolution picture, and also very importantly, your attendees can still see you in an additional picture transferred by Zoom. And that's all there is to it. A quick and easy way to dramatically improve the quality of your Zoom session materials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.